Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. I've done this one several times in the past. Did it yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. And today we finally got the question answered. Now, you may have no idea what I'm talking about, but if you watched the past videos, you know that after this big day here, we all were kind of wondering the very logical question: is there any sort of true power behind this move? Because there's no doubt about it. This move here, as high as it went, was a very, very powerful move. And again, asking the question, is there any sort of true power? Definitely, a valid question. Is that, as we said, well, price movements with true power are going to progress forward, right? They're going to keep on making progress. They're not going to go back to where they were. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So how did we get our answer today? Well, the answer we got was this move here was just a dead cat bounce. There was no true power behind it. What gives me the right to say that? Well, let's just look at where the thing closed today. The price closed right there. And then when you compare that back to, kind of where it was previously, you can see that it's easily well back within the range where the price was, before any sort of bigger move happened, right here on the chart. Now, am I saying that the bulls can never, ever make another good move again? I'm not saying that again. Maybe another way to put this is back to the drawing board for the bulls, because as far as this previous move was concerned, yeah, the price is literally right back to where it started. And that's not what a truly strong move is going to do. A truly strong move is going to make progress forward, and that just didn't happen here. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. First step of kind of, getting a new move underway is, based upon a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 16 cents was that area of support, but again, now that the prices below it, this would be that level where if any sort of, new bigger move is going to, get started and have a chance of getting started, then 16 cents is going to be that key battleground that needs to be broken. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. Who knows? This is a pretty crazy stock, so maybe a new move will start tomorrow to close out the week. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.